Do you love me, Matthew?
I do.
Honestly?
Yes. Secretly, but honestly.
No more secrets.
Here I am, making up for you. Here I am, making up for you.
Hey guys, Pauline here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Pauline. I share all things hair, beauty and lifestyle, and if you're up for that, then please do make your stay here a little bit more permanent by clicking on the subscribe button right here down below, and also the notification bell. I'm sorry, I'm only starting the vlog right now. I actually started it before, but then I felt sick and I was still recording. Then I felt like let me leave it, because it was just simple things going on. Today rather, we are having a MogoduMonday. I promised my mom's best friend that we'll go visit her today, and then we'll have our MogoduMonday session. So we're gonna have that. I'm unleashing Chef Paula again today, the chef of the family. But yeah, I hope you guys, ooh, my skin, you guys, look at this. It's looking healthy, hey, but I think it's because my period is very near. Anyway, but yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this one. Please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and then yeah, become a part of my family, man. I do share all things hair, beauty and lifestyle, and also construction. That is the side of my life that I'm starting to unleash. I'm starting to show you guys more of, and I hope you guys will appreciate that. Yeah, I still have flu though, but yeah, we'll just have to manage with it. That's why my voice sounds different. Yeah, I think that's that, man. Yeah, let's go have fun. It's MogoduMonday. I love that. You see that corner? Favorite corner in the house. Favorite. Please, let's go. I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to say. Let's go and have some fun.
Strawberry on my lips and sugar fingertips. I can feel the beat running through the speakers. Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon, I'ma take Monday off too. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan line. Keep a free mind, yeah. Cause
morning, guys. It is the next day. Yesterday was so wholesome, so nice. It's actually really nice to spend time with family. Right now, Zed and I are gonna start baking. We're making muffins. I can't really bake, but Easy Mix has made things super easy for me. So yeah, let's get baking. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys,
Welcome to my mommy's channel.
welcome my mommy's channel.
Please subscribe,
Please subscribe,
like,
like,
and share.
and share.
What are we doing today?
Eggs,
Uh-huh.
ear, oil,
Uh-huh.
flowers,
Mm-hmm.
flowers.
Okay. What are you gonna make?
Cupcakes.
Cupcakes. You like cupcakes?
Mm.
Okay. So silly old me
Mm.
thought that I took a chocolate one. Sorry, let me use that finger. I thought I took a chocolate flavor there. Right? Turns out that the fact that I'm so biased, I bought 2 vanilla mixes. I really don't like chocolate. I don't eat chocolate. I can eat it, but I don't eat it because I don't like it. So yeah, I took 2 vanilla mixes, and I thought that I took actually a muffin mix, but we'll use what we have. Okay, it says that it makes
Flowers.
12 muffins, regular muffins, and this is my tray. I'm just gonna use some butter
Some butter.
for my tray, to prep my tray, and I'm going to cover my hands with this because I don't like a messy job. Right? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Baby, I can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah. Call me when you want. Baby, I can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh my gosh, the first batch actually got burnt. If I'm being honest, shouldn't have turned it, but yeah, it looks cute. This looks decent. That looks that looks okay. But clearly we've had a problem of scarcity here. Okay, let's try and let's see if the next batch is gonna come out looking better. This is our last batch. This time around I made sure scarcity is not a problem here. There I added those tiny sprinkles, and also the longer one, and then this is just chocolate here. Let's see how it turns out. My next batch is definitely the star of the day, darling. Star batch. Bono. Aww. Okay guys, so excuse me looking crusty all through this video, but hey, I just had to come over here and say thank you so much for watching up until the end. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please do consider subscribing. Please click on the button right here down below and also the notification bell. That way, sis, you will always get a notification each and every time I do upload another video. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this wholesome video. The idea of it was just to remind you that family is just as important as anything else in your life, as your goals are, as your work is. Yeah, just remember that family above everything. Family. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next upload. Thank you so much for subscribing. We are on the road to 400 subscribers. Please do subscribe, join the family, support my dream. I will be sharing all of that with you guys soon. Let's just get our subbies up, okay? Let's just get the numbers up. Let's grow this family, okay? So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.